Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start now, remove the wheel so you can work safely and inspect damage closely. You want to clean away brake dust and oil because paint and polish won't stick to contaminants. Use a degreaser and a stiff brush. Rinse and dry completely. Once done, mask the tire bead and valve stem to avoid overspray and protect lug holes. You're aiming for a clean, dry surface. This prevents flaking later and sets you up for effective sanding and priming. Now start with sanding. Use 240 grit on deep gouges, then 400 to smooth. Feather into the surrounding finish so repairs vanish. Clean again, dust ruins adhesion. Next, apply self-etch primer, 2 light coats with a 10 to 15 minute flash. This bonds to aluminum and prevents peeling. Once tack-free, spray your rim paint in 3 thin passes, holding 6 to 8 inches away. Make sure to overlap each pass by 50%, so you get uniform coverage without run. Finish by applying 2 to 3 clear coat layers. Wait 10 to 15 minutes between coats and avoid heavy wet applications that sag. After curing, wet sand starting with 1000 then 2000 grit to remove orange peel, then polish with a fine compound to restore gloss. Make sure to let the clear cure overnight before mounting. If you see bubbling, stop. Bubbles mean contamination and you must strip back to primer. If you get runs, sand smooth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.